Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn language through daily conversions. There are just 10 minutes of daily conversation that can change everything. Help your child learn English naturally through daily conversations. In this video, children will learn daily simple and useful English sentences to improve their English. So let's start with the morning routine. We use these sentences in the daily way. Start your day the right way with these sentences. First of all, good morning. Did you sleep well? Time to get up. Let's brush your teeth. Do you want to have breakfast? What would you like to eat? Here is your cereal. Drink your milk, please. Let's get dressed. Can you put on your socks? Do you need help with your shoes? Next, we will discuss for the meal time. Let's eat healthy and stay strong. First of all, are you hungry? Let's wash your hands. It's time for lunch. What do you want to eat? Do you like this sandwich? Eat your vegetables, please. Would you like some juice? Let's clean the table. Time for a snack. Do you want to have an apple or banana? So these are the learning time sentences which we can use in our daily routine, and our children can learn it very well. So let's start. Can you say the alphabet like A, B, C? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. What color is this? Do you know the shape? Can you spell your name? Let's learn a new word. Do you know this animal? What sound does a cow make? Let's sing a song. Can you clap your hands? Next, these are the sentences for the playtime. Do you want to play a game? Let's build a tower with blocks. Can you find the red ball? Let's draw a picture. Do you like to color? Want to play with your dolls? Let's play hide and seek. Can you count to 10? Do you want to read a book? Let's play outside. Next, there is bedtime. Time to read a bedtime story. Do you want to pick a book? Let's snuggle up. Do you have a good day? What was your favorite part? Time to turn off the lights. Can you say good night to everyone? Do you want a night light? Sweet dreams. Good night. Then there are some useful conversations in the evening routine. Time to come inside. Let's wash up for dinner. Do you want to help set the table? What would you have for dinner? Do you like this soap? Let's have some dessert. Can you help clean the dishes? Time for a bath. Do you want bubbles in your bath? Let's put on your pajamas. So these were some useful sentences which the children can learn from the daily conversations. 10 minutes of daily conversations can improve pronunciation, listening, speaking, improve vocabulary, and they can speak English confidently. For more daily conversations, subscribe my channel. Must like and comment the video if you learn something new, and must follow the formula: learn, practice, and then speak English, so you can speak English confidently every day. Bye bye, take care.